So there were so many RVs at this show that we really, really loved. It was hard to pick, kind of that wow factor.
All we're saying that these are different.
They caught our eye.
Yeah, and we like them.
Yep.
Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing at the 2022 Tampa RV show. So we've been here now for what, 6 days? I've kind of lost track.
I know, it's all a blur. And today's weather stinks.
It sucks.
It's cold and rainy for our last day.
It absolutely sucks. Anyway, in this video, you know, there's a lot of RVs here. We're gonna show you just some RVs that caught our eye, some of our favorites of the show. Now, here's just we're prefacing this. This doesn't mean we endorse these vehicles. It doesn't mean we would buy them. It doesn't mean they're the best build quality, because we'll get in the comments, that one sucks, I had it. It's not what we're saying. All we're saying is that these are different.
They caught our eye.
Yeah, and we like them.
Yep.
So let's start over right in front of us here.
It's gonna be our favorite travel trailer.
Right, so we talked on another video regarding the hot thing now is like the Overland. And what's really cool is this newer company, Black Series. Now, Black Series is Australian, so they say, Australian inspired. They're actually made in China.
From China, yeah.
But they're a company out of California, is the US base. But what are they doing really cool? All aluminum construction. You can see it's like heavy duty, aluminum walls. What's really cool about this is they're made for off-road. So you see they have actual like real off-road tires. If you get the suspension underneath, the suspension is like sick on this. Let me show you on the 19 because it's a little bigger. So this is the HQ19, and I want you to see the suspension on here. It's not your traditional, as you would say, just straight axle. They have a suspension that's made for off-roading. I don't know if this one's open. It's not. But we did a video with Matt from Matt's RV Reviews on this. Pretty cool concept that they have.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of made for just getting off-road, off the grid, and getting out and about. HQ19, HQ21, which is their biggest one, and then the HQ17, which is one we really like. That's a bunkhouse model.
Yep.
But a lot
could actually fit Jason in there.
Yeah, a lot of manufacturers are going to styles like this. But this one, I mean, just look at it.
It is really.
You see this going down the road, like this will catch your eye with the
badass.
lights, you know, the propane inside. It's just a really cool looking vehicle.
So the next one is going to be our favorite Class A gasser. Now, only speaking in terms of caught our eye, kind of innovative floor plan. We actually did a video on this. It's going to be the Fleetwood Bounder 35GL. This is a really, really sweet floor plan. And again, Fleetwood is doing such an unbelievable job with their designs. I'm going to take you on here. And again, the inside of this is really kind of what catches people's eye. You have this mid-entry with the split kitchen, which is phenomenal because it's giving you so much room. Sorry for the shaking, the lighting is a little bit low in here. Then also, this is exclusive to Fleetwood. This is their design where they have this dining table that then switches around, turns into a dining table, and then in this way you can use it as a desk, facing outside, workspace, whatever you want. So again, they're doing such phenomenal things with the designs in Fleetwood. And as we've mentioned in other videos, you have designers that are really aiming to design things like a home. So the designers of this are making these things more residential, and you walk in here and you immediately feel like you're at home.
But before we move any further, this video is sponsored by NSA Tow Bar. Now, if you have a motorhome like we do and you're looking to tow a vehicle, you're probably going to want to flat tow it because it's the easiest way to go. NSA Tow Bar has been our tow bar of choice. Why? Because it's made in the USA. It's super simple. I know we've talked about it on videos, right? The fancy bay doors with the electronics. I don't like that. I like simple. It's less to break, and that's what NSA Tow Bar is. But more importantly, they're going to save you 30 to 40% off from the competition.
Right, and on top of that, if you use the code ENDLESS5, you're going to save an additional 5% on top of that already lower price.
And what's even better, they're made in the USA by workers in the USA with materials from the USA. They've been in business for over 30 years. So if you're looking for a tow bar, we strongly suggest you check out NSA Tow Bars. All right, so one of our Next favorite RVs that we saw here, you know, we love Super Cs, and if you've watched our videos, we've talked about many Super Cs and the benefits and which ones we really like. And last year at the show, this manufacturer was here, but they didn't have like the floor plan that we really like. Yeah. Follow us, you know what we're about to say. And we have a full video review coming out on this, but for the Super C category, it's going to be show hauler. So like I said, we have a full video coming out on this, but show hauler is represented here this year. This will make our favorite Super C category. Now, why show hauler? Because they use Class 8 heavy duty chassis. This is on the Cascadia. All steel welded caging, the walls, the roof, the floor, aluminum walls. The slides that they use are super reliable, easy to use. It's basic, it's clean, and it gets the job done. Try to find one of these used online. Good luck, because you have a very hard time finding one. And if you do, it'll probably be sold by the time you call. Why? Because these are built to last a lifetime, and honestly, compared to the competitors out there, they're cheaper. If you want more information on this, we did a video. If it's out, we'll link it below and above. If not, just make sure you subscribe to us and keep an eye out. Hit the notification bell, you'll know when that video comes out. So in the Class B segment, there's a lot of Class Bs out there, but
nice ones.
Airstream kind of always stands out. And although we're not like Class B people, we do appreciate there's some manufacturers putting out some really nice stuff. This one behind us, the Interstate 24GL, is one of those units. Now, what's really nice, but of course it's on a Mercedes chassis. It's just the fit and finish is excellent. Let's quickly just show you around. You can see the outside, just basic, simple like Airstream does, you know, the silver.
I'll show you what I like in the back.
And then we'll kind of quickly go on the inside and show you. So it's 24 feet 6 inches, but we'll show you inside what we really like.
I love the Bs with the you know, because they have that open back. So you're out somewhere camping and it's just beautiful. You have all that open air, right? And this is like a, you know, you have a powered screen here. This is just beautiful. Airstream just does it right. They really do.
Yeah, and then when we talk about Class Bs, you know, some people say they're really small, and we're some of those people.
Right.
But they're to get you to the destination.
Yes.
Why you get a Class B is because you're tired of that big coach. You get to your place easily.
And then you go outside.
Yeah, incognito. Right. And let's just show you on the inside.
And you can go anywhere.
Exactly. So quickly inside, you can see it's just finished out beautifully. Here's the front. Of course, you get all the Mercedes luxury up front, and it smells wonderful in here.
It does.
Look at all the cabinetry.
And look at all the seating space back here.
So what we like about this unit is that you kind of get everything. So you could have passengers. This will double as a bed.
Yep.
Look at the clean European style cabinetry here. Everything is beautifully done, carpeted out. It's just a really nicely done coach. You see the stainless up top.
You got the all the way around the coach. You have the LED lighting, the accent lighting above it.
You can see you have a double burner cooktop, Dometic sink, of course making use of all your space, all electric refrigerator, microwave. And then even the bathroom is really nicely finished out. If you want to show the bathroom, it looks like a port, you know, like you're on
a cruise ship.
On a cruise ship. Wet bath, of course. There's no slides in here, but look how nicely everything is finished out. It's super clean. You're not really wanting for much here.
No, you really do feel like you're on a cruise ship room.
For us, this would be like an awesome secondary RV.
Yeah, like for weekends away or whatever, it'd be great.
And what's the price on this? Everybody wants to know what the price is going to be. This one's, the MSRP is $225,782. Of course, that is an MSRP, and these things are expensive. There's no doubt about it. So let's move on to our next one. All right, now regarding the Class A diesel pushers, again, this is just something that really caught our eye. It's going to be the new American Coach floor plan, the American Eagle 45E. And we did a full video on this. I just want to quickly show you why we like it, is because it looks like a house inside. Here is your interior of the cockpit. You see all the cabinets and very distinctive rooms. Kitchen, living room, island. You can see a little bit of your eating area, dinette there. And then of course, your divider to take you into your bedroom, Samsung Smart TV, split bath. All right, you have a articulating bed here, and then of course a beautiful bathroom with the LED mirror, double vanity, separate toilet area, and then beautiful shower finished out in tile, and then a washer, separate washer dryer. We did a full video review of this with the representative Doug from American Coach Rev Group, and we will link that below. If it's not out before this video is out, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you'll know when that video comes out. So now we'll move on to, we said a lot about the overland travel trailers, but there's some other travel trailers out there, and of course one of our favorite, and we think well-built travel trailers and great customer service is going to be Intech. MJ's going to quickly show you the Intech display and why we like them.
Okay, yeah, so as Izzy said, we do have a number of videos out on the Terra, the Soul. We actually have a new one coming out from this show. The reason we love Intech, there's a number of reasons. Build quality is number one, and again, that's not what this video is about, but I am going to mention it because they have a really, really great system going. Customer service also. So they have those two things really, really going for them. Also, the style of these RVs, let me actually see, they may not be open. Oh, they are, here. So I'll take you in on the Soul Horizon. Now, if this is at a show, they actually have a box in here, but so just ignore that. Intech does a phenomenal job with taking a really small travel trailer and making it feel quite large. So you have a large bed area there. You do have your full kitchen here. You do have a wet bath, but again, they make a nice size, okay? And the seating area, which also converts to more sleeping area, is large. It's way more than we have. Cabinets, Intech is known for this blue lighting, okay? Like the mood lighting that they have. You have your microwave. So everything you need in a small package, but again, with the tilt design and the way that these Intechs are made, they make it feel like you're in something way bigger than it actually is.
All right, so regarding the fifth wheels, there's a lot of nice fifth wheels on here, but we really like the Alliance. Why?
For a number of reasons.
Well, number one, I mean, there's some really high quality fifth wheels out there that cost way more. This is kind of in the price range for most people.
Yep.
And it is a quality coach. They put a lot of time into, build quality, but more importantly, the customer service.
That's huge with Alliance. They are known for that across the industry. And we have quite a few friends actually that have Alliance fifth wheels, and second to none in terms of customer service. Whenever there's been an issue, they've been right on it.
So they offered 3 different models: the Paradigm, which was kind of their entry into the fifth wheel, the Valor, which is their toy hauler, and now the new Avenue, which is more of like their entry level, but it's still a wide body. It's quickly.
But this Alliance, the Paradigms are really a great full-time fifth wheel. They're quite large, very spacious.
We know several people that are full-time in this now.
Yes.
So this is a Paradigm. There's a 41 foot 4 inches, a 385 FL front living, I would assume, right? Let's just go inside real quick, show you what they're doing. Now, this company was kind of born with customer feedback. Like they were over a year with their social media asking real RVers what they wanted featured in an RV. So they've incorporated a lot of those features into what they built.
In what they made, yeah. I love the front living, you know that. I love front living fifth wheels. Then you have those separate rooms, really, and it's just, this is gorgeous. I mean, the amount of seating area you have, this huge entertainment center area, and you also, the Alliance does those pull-out.
So for example, right, one of the things that customers wanted was more storage. So here.
So you got the fireplace, and you just pull out, and there you go. That
storage.
is a great use of space.
This is something that, again, direct feedback from
the
customers.
customer,
Just quickly go through the back, and then we'll kind of go at.
There's a lot of squeaking on our shoes because it's raining out. Okay, nice large kitchen. Right, I like this kitchen.
No carpet because customers hate that.
Right, residential oven into the bedroom here. I like this floor plan a lot.
And it's distinct rooms: bedroom, bathroom, kitchen.
Yep, very distinct rooms. Some of them aren't as much. I have friends that have one and it's not as delineated with the rooms as this is. Beautiful, beautiful. And
then another thing they've done, if you can see, it's very residential. Different colors, different rooms have different color schemes. It's not like most people that live at home, the whole house is not one color. You can kind of change, so you could see more. Look, storage.
I like the
wood
door.
Yep.
The barn type door.
So yeah, they've done MC the shades. They've done really a great job, and it's one of the reasons it's one of the fastest growing fifth wheel companies out there. They just keep growing in sales and in customers because people really love what they're doing. And again, just so you know, you get an Alliance, you know you're going to get good customer service, hands down. So there were so many RVs at this show that we really, really loved. It was hard to pick, but we just wanted to share with you
one from, you know, several classes that really stood out to us in terms of, like we said, in terms of build quality or floor plan or
innovative design inside.
Really more of that. Less build quality, but more kind of that wow factor.
Yeah, so in the comments below, let us know, what is your favorite RV? Were you at the show? Is something that caught your eye? What do you think about what we are showing? Do you like it or you just think it's stupid? Let us know in the comments below. For myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the road.